Elwin Morris nenxalenye yabamelwane bakhe banyanzelisa ukufumana iimpendulo kumagosa aseburhulumenteni. Unyana wakhe uTaegrin wabhubha kuxhwilo-moto ngoJulayi. Kwiveki ephelileyo abashushisi barhoxise amatyala abesayanyaniswa nomrhanelwa kweli tyala. Igunya abantu lezotshutshiso lithi akukho bungqina baneleyo ukumbeka ityala uThamsanqa Thwala. Kodwa amapolisa ase-Gauteng ayikukhaba oko.
We were told by the prosecutor, our team, that the prosecutor said, I'm happy with the investigation, everything. Then the prosecutor interviewed the witness, the mother. And then the prosecutor said to the police, I'm not happy with what the mother is telling me. So it was never about how the police have investigated the case.
Uthi umsebenzi wamagosa akhe awunakubekwa bala.
I'm very much upset with that prosecutor, but we are taking that matter further with the Directorate of Public Prosecution in this province. So this matter is being reviewed.
Lenyewe ibashiye abahlali bedidekile.
The NPA said to us that the police didn't do their work right. And because of that, they are not going, there's not enough evidence. The police said exactly the contrary of that. So we are now in a state of complete confusion.
Ukanti amalingo okufumana izwi kwi-NPA awe phantsi. Ndingumalungelo Boy eRegebhak.